Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over using the Orthomosaic plugin on Nova. So here I have a new project opened up. I'm going to navigate to the Orthomosaic plugin on the side panel over here. So we can open this up and hit create an ortho. So it's going to ask us to add our files, so we can go ahead and do that. And we can see that all of our images are represented here as blue boxes, and so blue means that they are ready to upload and there's nothing wrong with them. If you have a box showing up as red or yellow, this means that there might be an issue with the quality of your image. So this could be due to camera angle, resolution, anything like that. And here we can see that our flight path is staged on our map. So this is just ensuring that we're uploading the right files and this flight path is the correct one. So that all looks good. The top here, we can see that process after uploading is automatically checked. This just makes it so that you don't have to manually hit process after uploading is done. If for some reason you do want to do a manual process, you can go ahead and uncheck that. And after uploading, you will have to start the processing process. But I want processing to happen automatically, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that checked and then hit upload files. So these will begin to upload. Going green means that uploading is complete. And you can see that the uploading is counting the images here, so we're at in the 30s out of 270 images. Alright, so we can see that uploading is finished and processing has begun. So now we just have to wait for the processing to be complete. Okay, so processing has completed and we can see that our ortho is appeared on our map with our flight path. So we can go ahead and close this data modal. And if we click on our ortho, we have this little toolbar come up. Using this button on the left, we'll turn the flight path on and off. And using this button here on the right, the ortho button turns the ortho on and off. Orthos, I think, are always best visualized against a satellite background, because then it just really can show you the updated landscape. So with our ortho, there's a few things we can do. If we head into the Data tab, we can download our ortho as TIFF, JPEG, PNG, or KMZ, and we can also download our flight path as a KML or as a shapefile. If we click Zoom to, this just helps redirect us back to our map if we have zoomed way out and lost it. You can also use this eyeball button to hide your ortho layer and turn it back on, and you can also rename it if you need to. That's pretty much it for the ortho tutorial. If you have questions about this, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help.